Hey guys, it's your girl. It's Ethiopian. Happy New Year. It's a good 2019. And 2019, we're coming with some more goals. I hit some goals in 2018, but they're just gonna roll over into this year. And some of that is being healthy. So we are making some healthy alternatives. And this is an alternative for juice. I have cut out pretty much all liquids outside of this drink that I'm about to show you how to make, coffee and matcha, and I'll do another video on that. It will be in the description box below once I record it. But this is just simple ginger and like lemonade type thing. And honestly, I hate water. I hate water so much. Like, I don't know how people just, like, I'll crave water every once in a while, but I don't know how people are just like, oh my god, I love water so much. I'm basically a fish. To me, it's disgusting. It has no taste, it has no flavor, so it just annoys me. But it just bothers me. So I created this concoction. It's definitely, I've been doing it for about a month now. And I really like it. I just keep it with me. So if you want to know how I make it and you want to make that transition and change with me, keep on watching.
Now there she goes again, the dopest Ethiopian, and now the world around me begins moving in slow motion whenever she...
I start out by juicing 5 lemons. I roll it first to get the juices all flowing, and then I start cutting them. The onions that I used this time were organic, just FYI, but they were also a lot cheaper. I don't know why than the regular ones, but yeah, we want more organic this time. And this is about the amount you would get with juicing 5 lemons. It's definitely enough to make a whole pitcher's worth. Then you're gonna get you some ginger. Honestly, I just end up eyeballing it. I end up using just like one of the roots, the bigger part. I didn't use that much ginger because a little goes a long way. After you finish skinning it, you're gonna cut it into small pieces and put them inside your NutriBullet or your blender. After that, I pour some of the lemon juice inside of the same cup so it'll be able to blend smoothly. Oh my gosh, I freaking love my NutriBullet. Best investment ever. I have 2. I keep one at home and one in my office. And freaking, it's just amazing. They make life so simple. But yeah, I just blend it on up. And this is about the consistency that I want, just so there's no chunks anywhere. And now for our next step, sweetener. I'm using stevia. This time I add a little bit into the pitcher, but honestly, I like using the a syrup better. It's a sugar-free, carb-free, calorie-free, all of that free sweetener, and it's caramel, and it's so much better than this sweetener. I didn't discover it until after this video, and I'm like, yo, this is fire. Then I just go ahead and add water and the rest of my lemon juice and stir. Like, after that, you're all done. And of course, tasting as you go. If it's, your own personal juice like me. And that's literally it. Your lemonade, ginger lemonade, keto juice, whatever you want to call it, low calorie. Like, it's so good. Great juice alternative. Love it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked this video. Let me know what changes you guys are making in 2019 for, I guess, a healthier 2019. Let me know any suggestions you have. I really do love this mix. Again, I drink it every day, several times a day, and I'm really trying to stay away from all juices, anything that's not this and the other juices that I mentioned in the beginning. But go ahead and like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye.